Okay, guys, so it's time to have the Ethereum video that a lot of you have been asking for ever since I started posting about Ethereum and how I was expecting new all-time highs before shorting big on February 8th. And of course, February 8th is the day that the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, accepts Ethereum to be the second cryptocurrency after Bitcoin that will be traded as a future. So obviously we did have all-time highs by then, and we are coming close to February 8th. That's tomorrow. So the CME will start trading this tomorrow. And I'll be honest with you, one of the reasons why I was waiting to make this video closer to that time is because I wanted to see how this game begins, because this game has just begun. So today we had a dip. It was in the range of 10%. Okay, and that was a dip today. There you go. And of course, we did buy this dip. So that was today's idea, that still buying this dip. And I think we'll calculate it very well, the point. So it did go up from exactly there. Okay. Now, let's cut to the case and let's understand what we have in front of us. Okay. Well, first of all, we have Ethereum at all-time highs. Okay, we have bought many dips before, the same way like we did today. Okay, and of course there is a lot of people going for long positions up to 2000, etc. Okay, now we have the CME, and with the CME, the one thing that I would like you to take a look at, okay, is this. This was Bitcoin in 2017, and these were the previous all-time highs. And the day that it peaked, and from there it just dropped all the way down, it was exactly the day that the CME started trading Bitcoin futures. Okay, so exactly what's happening tomorrow. Now, every time these might play differently, but some things tend to remain the same. So I will explain to you all today what is my game plan and what I expect and how I will trade this. So uh, first of all, we need to understand that this, I don't know if I can blame it on the CME, but the coincidence that it dropped right on the day that the CME started trading it, it's no coincidence. Cryptocurrencies are being manipulated, okay? And we need to be aware of that, okay? This is a game of nations and corporations and the uber rich, okay? And it's played to make the rich richer. So the rich didn't want to buy at Bitcoin at 19,900. They bought it at 6,000 or even at 3,000, and it is now at 37,000. Okay, so now let's understand something else also. Okay, and this is no coincidence. So Bitcoin was rising back then, it rose exponentially. Okay, and the frenzy started, the headlines, everyone wanted to get on it. And let me show you this. That is the price, the round number of 2000. Okay, so this is 2000. You see, it never touched the 2000, the 20, excuse me, the 20,000 level. It did stop before the 20,000. So this is what I call the close but no cigar. Okay, so there was a close but no cigar. Right there, the price never reached 20,000, and it crashed from there on the day that the CME started trading this. Now, just to explain this a little bit more, I will give you one very recent example, and that is GameStop. So if we look at GameStop, we had the ping pong with retail buyers and the hedge funds and their shorts and the short squeeze and all that. And let's see where this price stopped. Well, the round number in this case was 500. And the price miraculously went and stopped before the 500 level. So that's another close but no cigar theory of FX Professor. Okay, so in general, round numbers, they are important. Okay, it's not technical analysis, it's just the power of round numbers. And when there's frenzy, the round numbers tend not to be checked. So let's go back to Ethereum now, okay, and see what we have in front of us. Well, first of all, the price did drop today, okay. It's now at minus 6.83 for the day. It did find support at this level, and although I did say sell on February 8th, it's not February 8th yet. What I think is that the possibility of the big sell to be now, I believe it's less than 15%. I will give it 15% chance of Ethereum dropping. Okay. What I believe is that the price will go up. Okay. Or it might drop a little bit and find support here again and then go up. Okay. Up, that didn't come out too good. Right? So I believe the price will drop, and I believe that the close but no cigar at the round number of 2000. Where is 2000? It's right about here. Okay. I believe that the price will eventually rise. There will be good news, and most likely that's 85% according to my stats, according to my prognosis, will rise, and it will not touch the 2000. So when it gets close enough to 2000, I'm looking to go for my big short, which I believe will be a short back to 1000. A short back to even 1000. Okay. Of course, if you compare it with Bitcoin going from 19 back then to 5,000 and even 3,000, well, it's not the same story anymore. Okay, because cryptocurrencies, they are more established now and they're accepted. But Bitcoin is not Ethereum. Ethereum is not Bitcoin. And there is a few more things about Ethereum that we need to discuss now. It's not just the CME. Okay. First of all, Ethereum is launching the 2.0 upgrade. And my understanding of upgrades is that they most likely come with some problems. Okay, I mean, think about almost every single Android or Apple new product. Yeah, when they have a new launch, there can be problems that they need to be fixed. Yeah, oh, the phones explode and we need to change them, and eventually it's okay because these are huge organizations. But the Ethereum making these changes is also potentially something that already, I mean, Cardano is saying that the 2.0 Ethereum science is not good. Okay, this comes from Charles Hoskinson. So one of the major competitors of Ethereum, the competitors of Ethereum are actually on the outlook for problems in the 2.0, which, you know, the law is that there is a good 65% chance of something being wrong with this new version, and it will need to be fixed. So we need to understand something. Bitcoin is a category on its own. Okay, and even if Ethereum does correct, I don't think that Bitcoin will correct as much. Okay, At the same time, what I would prefer to still hold if Ethereum drops is Stellar and Cardano, which are two coins that I believe have a great future. And Ethereum is in the same category with this. Okay, so who could be affected most if Ethereum drops? Well, that would be the altcoins, and most of them, especially decentralized finance, they are built on Ethereum. So if something goes wrong with Ethereum, your chain link, for example, can have problems as well. Some of you they talk about Polkadot, which is also in the Cardano Stellar category. Okay, I don't have it on my list yet, but I am studying it. Okay, and let's stay focused on Ethereum. And let me rephrase: Ethereum will most likely bounce back up. Okay, and the CME news will be positive, and I will be shorting before the 2000 is touched. Okay, again, close but no cigar. The chances that I would give for the drop I was expecting on February 8th, okay, since it didn't go up there, so if it was up here tonight, I will tell you, hey, I'm ready to sell tomorrow. I'm gonna sell right before 2000. But it did drop, it did find support. That means it does have room tomorrow to start rising without touching the 2000 level on the day that the CME has accepted it. And it's going to be big news tomorrow. So it's going to be inviting more people to invest in it. So 15% chance that this is a drop and it will continue, 85% that it will go up. And I'm very, very positive that if it goes close to 2000, I'm 100% sure that I will be shorting it before it gets there because I don't think it's going to get there. Okay, so that's me, guys. Before I go, I'm gonna take a look at the chart. This is a Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so it's market cap, Bitcoin against the rest, and from what I see here, this is clearly now on strong support. So I expect Bitcoin to start rising, okay, between now and what is it? Between now and March, mid-March, okay? So in the next 15, 20 days, I expect to see Bitcoin grow against the rest. Okay, so this is making me feel a little bit more confident that Ethereum and the altcoins can have a good correction. Okay, whereas Bitcoin will be less affected or even rise. So that's me. Remember the close but no cigar. Yeah, Bitcoin on its previous all-time highs did not touch the 20,000. Okay, it stopped right before that. Most recently, a GameStop, which was again frenzy and a lot of retail traders, it didn't touch 500. It dropped before that, and I think that Ethereum is poised for a good correction this time. I know this is a long video of 14 minutes and you're probably tired of listening to my voice. So I'm also going to post just a chart for the rest of you. Okay, take care, guys. All the best. Good luck with your trades.